Hi guys, this is Chi Creative Arts and Designs, and in this video, these are our first practical video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate your prompts. After that, we'll be doing the second practical, which is how to generate your images. Third practical, how to edit your already generated image. Maybe you have an image in your phone that you want to correct or you want to edit something in it. Then the fourth video is going to be how to create your banners and your logos. And then the fifth is how to remove logo or watermark from your image. Maybe you generated an image with Gemini and you want to remove the Gemini logo from it so that it will not look like AI generated. So I'm going to be teaching you all that. So let's get started with the first one, which is prompt generation. Thank you. Okay guys, this is Chick Creative Arts and Designs, and in this video, in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you or showing you how to generate your prompt using I use ChatGPT and I use Gemini, but I preferably choose Gemini over ChatGPT. It depends on choice. You might like that ChatGPT more, but I prefer using Gemini to generate my prompts and images. Now, when it comes to generating prompt, you'll be like, what is a prompt? Most people call a prompt a script. Okay, they are all the same thing. It means generating. Okay, let's just assume that you want to generate an image. How do you want this AI now to generate that image for you? All you need to do is to write a prompt in form of a text. Now, when you write it, just like I need a picture of me in a garden, so I'll just tell it to generate a picture of me in a garden, and it will do it like you have prompted it. You have prompted AI to generate a picture for you. That's what it all means. Just writing a text to tell AI, there, this is what I want you to do for me. Okay. So the second one is now using the application. You can actually download the application, that's ChatGPT and Gemini, online. You can download it from your Play Store or your App Store depending on what you want, but I prefer using the website. So if I want to use the website now, what I'm going to do is I'll click on open my search engine. I'll open my search engine. Then once it pops up, okay, now I've opened the web browser. So what I'm going to do is now this is my web browser. What I'm going to do is type Gemini. Now when I type Gemini, it will tell me to sign in. I've already signed in before, but I'm just showing you what you will do. So I'll click on this sign in here. Okay, when I click on sign in, it will take me directly to the chat dialog, like to the chat section. Okay, now, but as a first timer, once you click on sign in, it will tell you to sign in either with your Google account or to sign in with your Facebook or your Instagram or your email, depending on what pops up for you. So once you sign in, it will take you directly to this particular page that you're seeing now. Now let me describe this page a little. Now if you look at it, you see a rectangular box. That's your text box. That's why you will input your prompt. That's why you will type your text. Now if you look at the left hand side, that's where they wrote ask Gemini. Now at the below it, you'll be seeing an addition symbol or a plus symbol. That symbol simply means it's telling you to add an image. If you want to add an image, you can add an image, but if you don't want to add an image, it's fine, you can just type and it will generate it for you. Or if you look at the right hand side, you'll be seeing a speaker or microphone symbol. That simply means if you don't want to type, you can use your microphone to record what you want AI to do for you. Okay, so now you notice that once I click on this ask Gemini, I will type something, and you notice that the microphone symbol has changed to something that looks like a less than symbol. That simply means send. After typing, you can send it to the way you send your message. You can send it to chat to Gemini AI, and it will do what you ask it to do. So what we want to do is learning how to create prompts. So I'm going to tell it to create a prompt. Create a prompt on create a prompt a photogenic oh, for a photogenic photo studio picture. So I'm going to send it right now. Then when I send it, okay, now it has actually generated a prompt for me. Now it doesn't generate only one. Look at the first one is up there, the second one, this style 3. So now it only gave me 3 different prompts. So with these 3 different prompts, I can actually generate 3 pictures, photo studio pictures. Now let's just pick one, and when I pick one, we're going to be using it in all our video. Anywhere that I need something like a prompt, I'll be using this particular prompt. So what I'm going to do is I will copy one. Which one do I prefer? Okay, let me copy. Sorry for the noise. Let me just copy this particular one. So what I'm going to do is I will copy this one and stop at camera. Okay, copied. Now I've copied it. So now the only thing I need to do is click on that rectangular text box, the text box, and paste it. Understand? I've pasted it now. So this is how to generate your prompt. Now if I want to use ChatGPT, they look alike. ChatGPT and Gemini, they look alike. So all I have to do is go back to Google. You can still type it from here if you want, but I just want to go back. So now what I'm going to do is I will type ChatGPT. Okay, now ChatGPT just popped up. I've already signed in, just as we signed in our Gemini. That's the same way you're going to sign in here. So I'll just click on this ChatGPT. When I click on it, it has opened. It has taken me directly to that chat dialog, that chat box. Now here this is our text box. Now I'm going to ask. It says ask anything, so I'm going to ask it to create a prompt. Let's create a prompt for a photogenic. Okay, let's just use script. I told you that script and prompts, they mean the same thing. So let's use script in this one. Let's see how it goes. Script. Then create a script for a photogenic photo studio picture. Then I'll click on send. It will generate its own. It's not the same thing. It's not how it will generate the same thing with ChatGemini. Even if you post this, if you type this thing again, like create a script for a photogenic photo studio picture, it will create a different script again. It cannot repeat the same thing. They all come in a different way. So now it has actually generated how many of them? 1, 2, short one. Okay, like this one now. It generated this one, this short one, the calm confidence. This one is short 2, short 3, short 4. Okay, short 4. Now it's generated the 4 different ways you can get your photo studio picture. Now okay, I've already copied the one of Gemini, so I can't copy this one now. Let's make use of the one of Gemini. But if you want to make use of this one, all you just have to do is start from pose. Like from pose, you start from pose and highlight it, copy it till it gets to fill. Then you make use of it the same way we're going to make use of the one I copied from Gemini in our next video. Thank you.